So I've been using the greens for about 3 years now. What I do every morning is I grab my Sunwarrior Ormus Super Greens. I like the mint, so everybody has their different preference. I'm a mint guy. It's like no other energy I've ever had, and I'm not kidding, man. Like it changed my life. At my age, you know, I'm not a young buck. I got to use every single thing that I can to be able to have a great workout. The foundation of what I do has to do with Ormus greens. So what I do is I just come and get my mason jar. I grab my scooper in here, pretty basic. Put a scoop in there. Grab my water, fill that up. Shake it up. Anybody can look healthy and look like $1 million until you draw your blood, because that right there will tell you exactly where you're at. That's it. The one thing that I always say is it's gonna take 5 seconds to put down the greens. And for me, 5 seconds compared to, you know, the rest of my day of feeling high energy and being able to feel healthy is well worth it. So that's your challenge. Get your blood drawn, check and see where you're at, take Ormus greens for 90 days, and then let me know how you do. I encourage you to start your health journey at sunwarrior.com.